We are taking R.D. Sharma Solutions, Class 11, Chapter 15, Linear Inequations or Linear Inequality, Exercises 15.1. $12x is less than 50. So we divide both sides by 12. We get x is less than 50 by 12. So this 50, 225 and 2 6. So you get 25 by 6. So when you say x is less than 25 by 6, in all the questions which are coming, these are around 3 questions like this. So what we have to do, this is a number line. Now all the values on the number line are real numbers. Those numbers which comes like this, 1, minus 1, minus 2, 0, these are integers which are z. All numbers, every number is a real number. And those numbers which starts from 1, here on the right hand side, they are known as the natural number. So natural number, so every time when this is an inequation or inequality, depending upon the domain or the domain of x, we have to find out the solution. So let us say that this is minus infinity and this is infinity. First is, the basic thing is x is less than 25 by 6. If it is a real number, then everything which comes on the number line is inclusive. So we start with x is less than 25 by 6. So 6 4s are 24. So it comes like somewhere here. So from 25 by 6 till minus infinity, all are covered. So we have minus infinity to 25 by 6. And since this is a less than sign, we don't have to use a square bracket anywhere. Coming to the z. Now z are integers. We are going to take only the z, that is the integers. So we start from here. As I said, this is 4 point something. We just have to take the integral number. So it starts from 4 and we go on the left hand side. So from 4, then comes 3, then comes 2, like this. Go up to 0, mark minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and then these 3 dots. These are the ellipses, just to show that we go up to infinity. Coming to natural number. We know natural number always start with 1. So we just have to come till here. So from here we start. So 4 is there, 3 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there and 1 is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the solution. Coming to minus 4x greater than 30. So minus 4x greater than 30, multiply both sides by minus 1. This changes. So it will be 4x less than 30 now. Divide both sides by 4. X is less than 30. This becomes minus now. Minus. This is minus 30 by 4. So this is 2 to the 4 to 15. So x is less than minus 15 by 2. Again, take the number line, mark a 0 here, and this is minus 15 by 2, that is around minus 7.5 we are talking. So if this is minus 1, we are somewhere here, minus 7.5. So minus 7 is here, minus 8 is here, like this. And of course 1 is here. So when we talk about x belongs to R and we say x is less than minus 7.5, and since it is a real number, so from minus 7.5, that is minus 15 by 2 till this minus infinity plus infinity. From minus 15 by 2 till minus infinity, so minus infinity to minus 15 by 2, this is for real number. When we talk about z, what is z? Z is the integers. So from here we start and it is minus 8 first. So we write minus 8, then comes minus 9 and likewise. So minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. 3 ellipses means we go up to infinity. Coming to this natural number. See, natural number starts from 1 to this side and we are talking about minus 7.5. Since we are talking about anything which is less than this minus 7.5, there is no natural number here. Natural number starts from 1. So this for x belongs to natural number, there is nothing. So this is a null set. 4x minus 2 is less than 8. Now you can just transfer this to here. 4x is less than 8 plus 2. Now this 4x is less than 10. Now divide both sides by 4. You get x less than 10 by 4, that is 5 by 2. So now x is around 2.5, you can say. It is less than 2.5. Just make a line. This is a 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2. This is minus infinite and this is plus infinite. Now for real number, x less than 5 by 2, 5 by 2 is here. This is 5 by 2, 2.5, or you can say 5 by 2. So anything which is here on this left hand side is coming in real number. So from minus infinity to 5 by 2 for real number. Coming to z, when you go x less than 5 by 2, so when you go this side from 2.5, the first number come is 2, then 1. So 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, then dot dot dot, we go up to infinite. Coming to natural number, when we start from here 2.5, what is the first natural number? 2. What is the second natural number? 1. And after this there is no natural number. So you have the solution as 1, 2 only. (3x minus 7) is greater than x plus 1. So please understand one thing. Whenever we say x is greater than 4, and first I'll explain this, then I'll tell you how the solution, because we are going to write the solution now directly. If x is greater than 4, if this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So whenever we say this is plus infinity, this is minus infinity. Whenever we say x is greater than 4, so we are talking about anything which is greater than 4. So 4 and infinity will be the solution. Whenever we say some x is less than 5, so we are talking about anything which is below than 5. So the solution will be minus infinite to 5. Okay. So everywhere we are going to follow the same logic, same type of representation. Now let us take one by one. 3x minus 7 greater than x plus 1. Bring x here and 7 here. 3x minus x is 2x. This is 8. Divide both sides by 2. X is greater than 4. X is greater than 4. X is greater than 4 means 4 and infinity. So 4 and infinity. Again, x plus 5 is greater than 4x minus 10. Bring 4x here. Take 5 on the right hand side. So now x minus 4x is minus 3x. This is minus 15. Now multiply both sides by minus 1. This becomes positive, but the greater than sign changes to the less than sign. Now divide both sides by 3. You get x is less than 5. Anything which is less than 5, so 5 up till minus infinity. So minus infinity to 5 is the solution. Here 3x plus 9 is greater than or equal to minus x plus 19. Bring x here, 9 here. This is 4x, this is 10. Divide both sides by 4, you get x is greater than 5 by 2. Now here one thing only is what I need to emphasize. When we have a greater than or equal to sign, that means this 5 by 2 is inclusive. That is, this is inclusive in the set. So you need to put a square bracket here. 5 by 2 is greater than or equal to 5 by 2. So it can be equal also. So when you write 5 by 2, this is a square bracket, comma, infinite. It goes up to infinite. Similarly here, this is 6 minus 2x. Here x by 5 plus 4. Now you can bring this x by 5 here, 2x, this x by 5 here, and 6 here. So what do you get here? Minus 11x by 5, this is minus 2. Multiply both sides by minus 1. You get 11x by 5 less than or equal to 2, because the sign has changed, because we have multiplied minus 1 both sides. Now multiply both sides by 5 by 11. So what do you get? X is less than or equal to 10 by 11. As I said, since it is less than or equal to 10 by 11, anything which is on the left hand side, that is from minus infinity to 10 by 11, but still it is less than or equal to. So you have to put a square bracket, because this is inclusive. We have an equal sign also. Now 3x minus 2 by 5 less than or equal to 4x minus 3 by 2. Now there are two methods. The best method is take the LCM of these two, 5 2, multiply both sides. Multiply this by 10 and this by 10. Or you can do it in the way which is explained here. Just separate them. 3x by 5 minus 2 by 5, 4x by 2 minus 3 by 2. Bring this here and bring this here. Now just solve this. You get 6x minus 20x by 10 minus 15 plus 4 by 10. This is minus 14x, this is minus 11. 10 gets cancelled. Now multiply both sides by minus 1. So this less than equal to will become greater than equal to. Now divide both sides by 14. So 11x is greater than equal to 11 by 14. So from 11 by 14, since this 11 by 14 is inclusive, you put a square bracket and it goes up to the infinite. So put an infinite here. So this is going to be the solution. Always infinite we don't include anytime. Whenever there is an infinite, we use a round bracket. We never use a square bracket there. According to this question, here, minus x minus 3 plus 4, 5 minus 2x. Open the minus sign. Minus x plus 3 plus 4, 5 minus 2x. Now bring this 3 plus 4 is 7. Bring this 2x here and take this 7 on the right hand side. You get minus x plus 2x, that is, this will be x. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. So x is less than minus 2 means minus 2, and there is round bracket minus 2 to infinity. Infinity to minus 2. Here also you have x is less than this term. So you have to solve this term. 5 into 3x minus 2 minus 4 into 5x minus 3 by 5 4s are 20. Open this, you get this. And now 5 4s are 20. This 5, or you can multiply both sides by 5. 5 here, if 5 cancels. If you multiply this by 5, 5 into 5 4s are 20. Now if you solve this, you are going to get 4x. 4 I am taking here. 4x is less than 15x minus 20x is minus 5x, minus 10 and plus 12 is 2. Now bring this 5x here. This is 9x less than 2. Now 9x is less than 2 means x is less than 2 by 9. X is less than 2 by 9 means anything here. So here minus infinity is there. So 2 by 9 and minus infinity. This is the solution set. Now here what you can do is 5 and 7. You can multiply both sides by 35, or you can take 7 here, 5 here. So you multiply this 7 2s are 14. You have 14x minus 1. Here you have 5 3s are 15. 15 into 2 plus x. 14x minus 14, 30 plus 15x. Now bring this here and 14 here. So 14x minus 15x is minus x. This is 44. Now multiply both sides by minus 1. You get x. Now this changes. Less than equal to will become greater than equal to. X is greater than equal to minus 44. So since it is greater than equal to minus 44 is inclusive. So you put a square bracket. And since it goes up to infinity, you put an infinity here. Here take the LCM on the left hand side. So you get 5 4s are 20. 4 you can take an LCM. So you have 5 2s are 10, and then you have 3x. And this is 39 by 4. 4 gets cancelled. Now this becomes 13x. This is 39. Divide both sides by 13. You get x is greater than equal to 39 by 13, which is 3. So x is greater than equal to 3. Now put a 3 here, infinite here. Since this is greater than equal to, you have to put a square bracket here. Here. Now first you solve this. Take a 1 here, 4 by 1. X minus 1 into 4 3s are 12 by 3. Take a 1 here, x minus 5 into 5 2s are 10 by 5 here. Now this is x plus 11, and this is x minus 15. Multiply it by 5. So 5 into x plus 11. Multiply this by 3. 3 into x minus 15. Now this is 5x plus 55. This is 3x minus 45. Take 3x here, take 55 here. This is 2x, and this is minus 100. Divide both sides by 2. You get x less than minus 50. So this is minus 50 till minus infinity, because it is less than. So minus 50 and left hand side. Here we have minus infinity. Similarly here, just solve this. Assume that you have 3 by 1. Assume that here that you have 2 by 1. So you have 2x plus 3 minus 12 by 4. X minus 4 minus 6 by 3. So this multiply 3 here, multiply 4 here. So 3 into 2x minus 9. This is 2x minus 9. This is x minus 10. So this is 6x minus 27. This is 4x minus 40. Take 4x here, take minus 27 here. This is 2x. This is minus 13. Divide by 2 both sides. X is less than minus 13 by 2. So minus 13 by 2 will come here, and it goes up to minus infinity. So minus infinity to minus 13 by 2. Now here, this one. Now let us solve the right hand side first. X by 6 minus 5 by 1. So x minus 30 by 6. Now take this 6 here, take this 3 here, multiply. 30 minus 12x less than 3x minus 90. Now this 3x bring it here, 30 bring it here, it is minus 15, this is minus 120. Now multiply both sides by minus 1. When you multiply by minus 1, this less than becomes greater than. Now divide both sides by 15. X is greater than equal to, or not equal, only greater than 120 by 15, which is 8. So from 8 to infinite. So 8 and infinity is the solution. here. Assume that it is 3 by 1. So x minus 6 by 2. Now bring this 2 here, multiply this 2 and bring this 3 here. So 2 into 4 plus 2, 8, which is 8 plus 4x. Here 3x minus 18. 3x here, 8 here. 4x minus 3x is x. Minus 18 minus 8 is minus 26. X is greater than or equal to minus 26. So minus 26 to infinite. Minus 26 to infinite. Since it is greater than or equal to, you put a square bracket here. Next question is this one. Now assume that this is 2 by 1. So 2x plus 3 and 5 into 2, 10 by 5. Multiply this 3x minus 6 by 5. This becomes 2x minus 7 and this becomes 3x minus 6. 5 gets cancelled. You can also say that we can multiply both sides by 5. This 5 gets cancelled. Now bring this 3x here and 7 here. Minus 7 here. 2x minus 3x is minus x and this is 7 minus 6 is 1. Multiply both sides by minus 1. So this less than becomes greater than. So x is greater than minus 1. Now since it is minus 1, 2, it is greater. So minus 1, anything which is greater than this goes up to infinity. So minus 1 to infinity. Next here, just multiply 3 this side or multiply both sides by 3. You get 3x minus x. Here you get 5x plus 8. Bring this here, bring this here. 3x minus 6 is 2x. 8 plus 6 is 14. Now divide both sides by, first multiply both sides by minus 1. You get 2x is greater than or equal to minus 14. Why? Because we multiplied by minus 1. So this inequality sign changes. Now when this sign changes, now divide both sides by 2. You get x is greater than or equal to minus 7. Now since this is greater than or equal to minus 7, so it starts with minus 7 with a square bracket and this goes up to infinity, plus infinity. Now this type of question. Now let me tell you the questions which are coming here. The idea is that if this a by b is less than 0, what does it mean? Either a is negative and b is positive, that is this is positive, a is positive and this is negative, then only it will be less than 0. Or the numerator is negative and denominator is positive, then it will be 0, less than 0. This is the first case. And the next case, which are going to come in the next question like this question. So here the scenario will be, if a by b or p by q is greater than 0, so this will be positive, this will be positive, then only it can be greater than 0. Or this will be negative, this will be negative, minus and minus. I'll give you an example. See, this is, I am taking 2 by minus 3. 2 by minus 3 is less than 0 and minus 2 by 3 is less than 0. In both the cases, this is plus, this is plus. And here, minus 2 by minus 3 is greater than 0 and 2 by 3 is also greater than 0 because this minus minus gets cancelled. So we have to take this scenario. So when 6x minus 5 by 4x plus 1 is less than 0, if you assume it to be a, assume it to be b, so either a is greater than 0 and b is less than 0, that is this case, or a is less than 0 and b is greater than 0, that is this case. So when 6x minus, we have already done how to do this, so I'll just skip the left side, right side transformation part. I'll directly tell you what is going to happen. 6x minus 5 is greater than 0, that is x is greater than 5 by 6. 4x plus 1 is less than 0, that is x is less than minus 1 by 4. So if this is 5 by 6, it is positive, and this is say minus 1 by 4. This is saying x is less than 5, this is saying x is less than 5 by 6. So here, and this is saying x is less than minus, x is greater than 5 by 6, sorry. X is greater than 5 by 6, and this is saying x is less than minus 1 by 4. So can you find a number which is less than minus 1 by 4 and greater than 5 by 6 at the same time? Not possible. This case is not possible. Take the second case. When numerator is less than 0, denominator is greater than 0. So this gives you x less than 5 by 6, this gives you x is greater than minus 1 by 4. Now this is showing that x is less than 5 by 6 and x is greater than minus 1 by 4. So what is the common part? This part. So the solution is this region. So it is minus 1 by 4 to 5 by 6. And since this is less than sign, this is less than sign, so we are taking the round brackets. So all the questions are like this, which are upcoming. For example, this one. If this is this P by Q form or A by B is greater than 0, so either this is plus, or this is minus and this is minus. So either numerator is greater than 0 and denominator is greater than 0, or numerator is less than 0 and denominator is also numerator is less than 0 and denominator is also less than 0. From here you get x is greater than 3 by 2. Here you get x is greater than 7 by 3. So let us see this. 3 by 2 is around 1.5. So let us say it is here 3 by 2. This is 7 by 3, so around 2 point something. So we say here this is 7 by 3. Now it is saying x is greater than 3 by 2. So we are talking about this up to infinity, and this is saying x is greater than 7 by 3. So it is the part, because if it is 7 by 3, it is of course greater than 3 by 2, but if it is 7 by 3, so we'll take 7 by 3. So x is greater than 7 by 3. In this case, you get less than 0, so x is less than 3 by 2. So now x is less than 3 by 2. And here you get x is less than 7 by 3. So x is less than 7 by 3. So since it is less than 7 by 3, it is less than 3 by 2, so it is less than 3 by 2. So we take from these two, x is less than 3 by 2. So x is less than 7 by 3, that means x is greater than 7 by 3 means 7 by 3 to infinity. And this is x is less than 3 by 2, so minus infinity to 3 by 2. Now we take the union of these two. So this is the solution. We take a union of these two. Now, same thing we are going to do. Bring 1 here and solve it. When we bring here 3 minus x minus 2 by x minus 2, when we solve it, we get x minus 5 by x minus 2 greater than 0. Greater than 0 means either both are positive or both are negative. So in the first case, this is 0, this is 2, this is 5. First case is saying x is greater than 5 and x is greater than 2. So it is greater than 2 and greater than 5. So that means it is greater than 5. We take these. Second case, x is less than 2 and x is less than 5. So x is less than 2 and x is less than 5. So obviously we are going to take the lower case. X is less than 2. So now this means 5 to infinity, and this means less than 2 means minus infinity to 2. We take the union of these two. Next one again, same thing. We bring 2 here. Now 1 minus 2 into x minus 1 by x minus 1. We solve it. We get 3 minus 2x by x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So now here we'll use the square bracket. I'll show you how. It is less than or equal to 0. That means either this is greater than or equal to 0. I'll show you. See. First of all, you have to assume that when we are taking a by b, b cannot be 0. So you cannot put anywhere x minus 1 less than or equal to 0 or greater than or equal to 0. Why? Because if you put x minus 1 less than or equal to 0, so there is a possibility of having 0. But if you have anything with 0, it becomes undefined. So we cannot take this x minus 1 less than 0 or x minus 1 less than or equal to 0 or greater than or equal to 0. So we cannot take this. But the numerator can be 0. So that is why we are taking this numerator as greater than or equal to 0 and numerator as less than or equal to 0. So numerator can have a possibility of having a 0. Now this, as I said, less than 0 means this is either positive, this is negative, or this is negative, this is positive. And as I told you, only the numerator can be equal to 0, denominator cannot be. This gives you x less than or equal to 3 by 2, this gives you x less than 1. So which one is the, because it is less, so which one is the lower? This is 1.5, this is 1. So x less than 1. Now 3 by 2, this gives you 3 by 2, this gives you x greater than 1. So in this we find out which is the higher one, 1.5 and 1. So x is greater than 3 by 2. This gives you minus infinity to 1. And this gives you 3 by 2 to infinity. But since it is greater than equal, you would use a square, this round bracket, and here you use a square bracket, and you just take the union of these two. Same thing here, bring this 6 here, solve it, you get 8x minus 33 by 2x minus 5 greater than 0. Greater than 0 means either these two are positive or these two are negative. This numerator, denominator both positive, numerator, denominator both negative. So this gives you x is greater than 33 by 8, x is greater than 5 by 2. When you're talking about x is greater than 33 by 8, see, it is 8 4s are 32, so 4 point something. It is 2 by 5 by 2, it is 2.5. So which is the higher one? You take the higher one. Whenever you take the greater than one, you always take the higher one. And when you take the lower one, you always take the lower one. Means when it goes to minus infinity, you take the lower one. When it goes to plus infinity, you take the higher one. So here x is less than 33 by 8, x is less than 5 by 2, which is the lower one, this one. So you take x less than 5 by 2. This gives you 33 by 8 till infinity. And this gives you minus infinity from 5 by 2. Now take the union of this. This is the solution. Same thing here, bring 1 here. So for 5x minus 6 by x plus 6. So 5x minus 6 minus x plus 6 by x plus 6. So you get 4x minus 12 by x plus 6 less than 0. Less than 0 means either this is positive, this is negative, or the numerator is negative and denominator is positive. So this gives you x greater than 3 and this gives you x less than minus 6. So now just see. 3 will be somewhere here and minus 6 will be somewhere here. It is saying x is greater than 3 and it is saying x is less than minus 6. Can you have a number which is at the same time less than minus 6 and greater than 3? Not possible. So this case we just leave. Now this gives you x less than 3. This gives you x greater than minus 6. So x greater than minus 6 means this side and x less than 3 means this side. So what is the common point? This is the common point. So minus 6 to 3 is the solution set. Here bring 2 here and 5x plus 8 minus 2 into 4 minus x by 4 minus x by 4 minus x. You get 7x by 4 minus x less than 0. So either 7x is less than 0 and 4 minus x is this 7x is greater than 0 and 4 minus x is less than 0. Is either this is negative, this is positive, or this is positive and this is negative, and this is negative, this is positive. This may be the two case. Here you get x greater than 0, here you get x greater than 4. So which is the higher one? X greater than 4. Write it like this. So you get 4 to infinity here. Now here this is x less than 0 and here you get x is less than 4. So which is the lower one? X is less than 0. So you get 0 to minus infinity. Now take the union of these two. This is the solution. Bring this 2 here. You get x minus 1 by x plus 3 by minus 2. So x minus 1 minus 2x plus 3 by x plus 3. Just solve it. You get x plus 3 by x plus 7 by x plus 3 by less than 0. Now when you come here, you have to multiply it by minus 1. Both sides. And since we are multiplying by minus 1, this greater will become less than. Now since it is less than, so either numerator is 0 and less than 0 or negative, and the numerator is less than 0 and the numerator is positive, greater than 0, and denominator is less than 0. Here the numerator is less than 0, negative, or the denominator is positive. So let me take this case first. You are talking about here. It gives you x less than minus 7. So this is 0, minus 3 is here and minus 7 is here. So what do you get here? It is saying x is less than minus 7 and x is greater than minus 3. So can you have a number which is less than minus 7 and greater than minus 3 at the same time? No. So this is not a solution. Coming here, x is greater than minus 7 and x is less than minus 3. So which is the common intersection point? Minus 7 to minus 3. So this is the solution set, minus 7 to minus 3. Now bring it here. 7x minus 5 minus 4 into x plus 3 by 8x plus 3. And since we have a negative here, you'll encounter a negative. Multiply both sides by minus 1. So this sign will change. And since it is less than 0, so either this is positive and this is negative, or this is negative, this is positive. So this is minus 17 by 25 and x is less than minus 3 by 8. And we have already seen that the case, this gives you minus 17 by 25 minus 3 by 8. And this is not possible. Only this is the case, so you get minus 17 by 25 and minus 3 by 8 with the same logic we discussed earlier for the different questions. Now bring this half here, so minus half, 2 into x minus 5 by 2 into x minus 5. So you get this term x plus 5 by 2x minus 10 greater than 0. So this both are plus or both are negative. This gives you x greater than minus 5, x greater than 5. So we take the higher one, x greater than 5. We have x less than minus 5, we have x less than 5. So we take the lower one, x less than minus 5. This gives you minus 5 to minus infinity, and this gives you 5 to infinity. And you take the union of these two. This is the solution. So this is the exercise 15.1 of linear inequalities. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.